motorcycle wreck on the city's west side this afternoon claims the life of a 25-year-old Seymour resident. It happened at 4 p.m. around the area of FM 367 in Wellington Lane. According to DPS Sergeant Dan Busing, James Robert Campos was pronounced dead on the scene. Busing says Campos failed to negotiate a curve in the roadway, drove into the ditch, and was thrown from his motorcycle in the process. The driver of a second motorcycle, Dwayne Peterson of Wichita Falls, also failed to negotiate the curve and drove into the ditch. Peterson was airlifted to John Peter Smith Hospital in Fort Worth with serious injuries. It's unknown if either man was wearing a helmet.